Hi, you watch an introductory video about Blogifier, new Core ASP.NET project with source code on GitHub. If you go over a README file, you'll find that goal of this project is to blogify ASP.NET applications. It is doing it by providing NuGet package that let you add blogging functionality in 3 easy steps. So let's go over these steps and see how it works. First of all, I need that existing web application I want to blogify. This one is standard Visual Studio template for ASP.NET Core 1.1 with authentication enabled. Enabling authentication also adds SQL Server Provider, which is needed to save application data. No surprises here. Step 2 is to install NuGet package. Open Package Manager console and run command from README file to install Blogifier.Core package into application. When done, this small package will add few DLLs containing compiled Blogifier code and supporting resources, including scripts, styles, and images. The last step is to let your application know about Blogifier. This is done by adding 2 lines of code in application startup logic, one to configure Blogifier services and another to add Blogifier to application configuration. I'm copying these lines from the same GitHub README file and paste them in the end of corresponding startup methods. When this is done, I have everything I need to run my blog as part of this application. It will share the same routing and even use your database, adding few tables, unless you want to configure it differently. Blogifier by its nature is very configurable and customizable, but as you can see, you don't have to do much if you don't want to. So here I run my website again, and it looks exactly the same, except one thing. Now I can go to /blog route and it will load my newly created blog. It is empty, but I can fix this by going to admin section and writing posts. Because this is my first time accessing admin, I have to fill in profile information before I can write any posts. With profile completed, I have more menu items enabled and can navigate to posts section. In the post section, I can add new posts, update, edit, insert images and other content, categorize posts, and do anything one would expect from modern blogging application. When satisfied, I can publish my post and navigate to it in the blog. So that's pretty much all it takes to add blogging to your application in 3 simple steps.